So, as part of the Profi program, we have introduced a new tab called Profi Rewards. This works in the same sort of concept as a student discount for young people to gain discounts and prizes in different businesses in their local area. Therefore, in Carmarthen, here as an example, we've got a Shed Coffee has agreed to give us a discount of 10%, tea traders as well, and in Newcastle Emlyn, we've got examples of Debbie's Jewellery, discount of 10%, and a Kutch Coffee, discount of 20% there. So it's just a reward for young people after completing some elements on the Profi website, such as the skills quiz and this short reward survey here by evaluating the website, that you do get something out of the programme, and it just works as a reward to get young people to shop and support their local businesses, as well as supporting them through their kindness and generosity of offering these discounts to us. So if we click here on the evaluation form, this is just a couple of short questions to evaluate the website, which will give you then access to a rewards card. So we'll just complete some of these questions here. Questions just evaluating how the website has helped them and developed their skills for the world of work. So we can just evaluate here. We'll just go through the questions quickly. Work experience, employment, just things, how the website has helped them gain more confidence. And there we go. And therefore, we have this rewards card which they can then show in the local businesses, and then they will be able to receive the discounts. Again, working the same concept as a student discount card.